Okay guys, we're on a different computer this morning. Happy Friday. And I'm sitting outside trying to record. It won't have the audio for the other files, so we'll try to go through it fast and you get to hear me do the calendar. We're making do with what we've got working. Okay, so we're starting with our calendar.
Yippee! It's May 2020.
It's May 2020. Let's make a calendar. So I'm going to say the days. Say them with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day of the week is it today? Robbie's favorite day, Emily's pizza day. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Today is Friday.
Great job. Today is
Friday, May 8th, 2020. Okay, fill in the missing day and date. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Friday.
So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes next? 8.
8. Great
So
job.
we have Friday, May 8th, 2020. Yesterday was Thursday, and tomorrow will be the weekend, Saturday. We have no birthdays this month in our class. Okay, and let's see, since I'm outside doing my work and she's outside reading, that's who I choose. Okay, so now I also don't have multiple screens. We have our question. What did you have for breakfast? I'm not going to lie, I had a buttered roll and a donut. What did you have for breakfast? I'm going to say good morning to you and then you answer good morning, Miss Megan. Ready? Good morning. What did you have for breakfast? Now I want you to say good morning to someone nearby. Now I'm going to help you ask them, what did you have for breakfast? Ready? What did you have for breakfast? Now we're talking about our feelings. I'm feeling a little crazy, as you can tell. I'm on a different computer. I'm recording outside. Things are not going exactly right, so I'm a little frustrated, like the guy that's going like this. Right here, I'm frustrated a little today. So that's just me. You can see I'm off kilter, just like this picture. Ready? Are you excited, happy, angry, bored, confused, calm, frustrated, silly, nervous, or sad? I hope you're not frustrated like I am, but you might be. Hopefully not. How are you feeling today? Say it in a sentence. I feel. Okay. So now I'm going to pull up our Nearpod activity. Our code is NY, like New York, ODM. Again, that's NYODM. You're going to take your code. I'm going to nearpod.com, but you could use the app too. And you're entering your code, NYODM, to join. Okay, we always have to start by putting in our name. So, same question every time that we start with. We're practicing typing our first and last name. So I typed Megan Fink with a capital M and a capital F. And when you're done, oh, that won't work. Hit submit. Okay. Next question, how old are you? 12, 13, 14, 15. How old are you? When you're done, hit submit. I can't answer. I'm not any of those ages. Okay, what day of the week is it today? So we're looking on our calendar and going all the way up.
Friday.
It's Friday. Nope, not the right one, Miss Megan. It's Friday. That's a match. Okay, the date today. So we need to look at the calendar. The date today is in the box with the purple star.
8th.
It's the 8th. So I need to go back and type in an 8. Can you type an 8 and then hit submit? Now, how did you feel about the weather yesterday? I loved the weather yesterday. How did you feel? How did you feel about it? It's going to rain later today. When you're done saying how you felt about yesterday's weather, hit submit. Now I told you what I'm happy about. I ate a donut as part of my breakfast. So I'm happy about having a donut. What are you happy about? It was a special treat. What are you happy about? When you're done, hit submit. Alright, the video I have for you today is a little baby giraffe chasing after a butterfly. It is very cute. And it is a playful giraffe. It's going to be very hard for me to see the screen here outside, but he's a very cute giraffe, that I assure you. He's very curious. You see he's much shorter than what I assume is his mom. He's licking his lips. And I think his mom loves him a lot. Now he sees the butterfly. He's very interested. Like, what is that? So he chases after it. So cute. Okay. So we're going to take some notes before we write our sentence. What we saw in the video. What kind of animal did we see? The tall animal is called a giraffe. I would say that he was playing. And then what kind of bug did he chase? It was an insect. Do you know? A butterfly. He was chasing it. And I would say he was very curious. Okay. So those are my notes. Now we need to write a sentence about the picture we see from the video. So my sentence will be, I see a giraffe chasing a butterfly. What will your sentence be? When you're done, you could borrow my sentence. I started with a capital, I ended with a period. When you're all done, you can make sure that you hit submit and you're all done with morning meeting. Thanks for being flexible. I know this wasn't the morning meeting that you're used to. You guys rock. Happy Friday.